Hello everyone, welcome back to Aroma Talks. Aroma here. We all hate those nasty skin tags on our neck or body. You could have them removed by your doctor, but it's safe to remove them yourself. Skin tags mostly appear on the areas of your body where skin rubs against skin, and they can look so ugly. But today I have a simple remedy that's going to help you get rid of them. So let's get into it. Here is what you're going to be needing: a banana, apple cider vinegar, some dried orange peel, turmeric powder, garlic cloves, tea tree essential oil, our carrier oil, which is rice bran oil. Let's go ahead and peel our banana. Banana is good for many things, including getting rid of skin tags. However, the part of the banana that is going to help you get rid of skin tags very fast and very quick is actually the banana peel. So make sure your banana is as ripe as this one. The riper, the better. So let's put the banana flesh to the side and work on the peel. So I'm just gonna scrape it. So now that we have our banana peel already, we're gonna place this along with the banana itself, and then we move on to the next ingredient. So for this one banana, I'm going to use 2 cloves of garlic. Let's go ahead chop our garlic in small pieces. Now we're going to blend this. Garlic is really good for skin tags. It has anti-aging benefits and helps improve the appearance of skin by reducing inflammation. We're going to use the orange peel because it contains vitamin C and it's going to help in brightening the skin. This is my already dried blended orange peel. I'm going to go ahead, add some turmeric powder. Now we all know with those skin tags, most people's skin tags come up looking much darker than their skin itself. So turmeric powder is going to help with the brightening the skin. Go ahead, blend again. This is how it looks. Let's add some apple cider vinegar. The acidity of apple cider vinegar breaks down the tissue surrounding the skin tag, causing it to fall off. The next, we're going to add some few drops of tea tree essential oil. Tea tree oil is an essential oil known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial benefits, which is going to help with the removal of skin tags so fast. We go ahead adding some rice bran oil, which is our carrier oil. Always make sure you dilute your essential oil. And rice bran oil is really good for your skin. It's a great moisturizer. So mix everything well. And this is it. Ensure that your skin is clean and dry before applying these remedies. So apply this on your skin where you have skin tags and let it sit for about 1 hour. Then after, you wash it with lukewarm water. Do this twice a day for about a week. It's going to help you get rid of skin tags. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if this was your first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click on that notification bell right besides the subscribe button down there. You will be the first person to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.